Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And this is the weekly watch list for May 21st, 2023. Breakout or fake out is what we're going to talk about. But real quick, if you guys want to help support my channel and are interested in getting daily trade zones and weekly trade zones for the S&P futures, my 8-hour video course where I teach you my top 5 trading strategies and access to my private Discord chat room where I give trade ideas, then make sure you check out the link down below or go to daytradingfearless.com. But let's jump right into the weekly watch list for May 21st, 2023. So last week we talked about, are we going to break up or are we going to break down? And I actually was kind of bullish. I'm like, hey, look, the market is kind of like in a upward mode right now. I said, watch this secondary trend line. We kind of broke out of it. We went sideways, broke out. Here's the question. Is this a real breakout? We do have multiple news that's going to be coming out next week, more earnings, but also more importantly is the whole debt ceiling. Is the U.S. going to default on their debt? Don't know. We will have to see. As of Friday afternoon, the both sides kind of took a break and said they were at pretty much nowhere. Welcome to the U.S. government, right? Can't do the most simplest things, but that's a rant for another time. But going back to the charts, here's what's kind of interesting. We do have a divergence forming, right? From this high here, even this one, right, to here, we do have divergence here. You can even call this a double top, but we made new highs here. Very interesting. It's almost like everybody's getting all jittery. They think we're going back up to all-time highs with this market, with everything looming out there. Listen, we have not even seen the effects of all the rate hikes. You are starting to see things slow down. You're seeing companies' earnings start to slow down a little bit. I think the debt ceiling is definitely, if they do pass something, buy the rumor, sell the news. That is kind of what the market's doing, it feels like to me. So we will see. But going into this next week, I think we could see a lot of choppiness. If we look, we are bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice reverse waterfall. If we take out these lows, we kind of made new highs, reverse, close near the lows. If we take that out, watch out. We may come back into this 4150 range. So, and kind of fake all these people out. And that might be a bull trap. So that's something that is going on with the ES. Let's take a look at the NQ. We know the NQ's been really strong, kind of broke out, and look at how strong the NQ is relative. But is this maybe a potential blow off top? Maybe we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reverse waterfall, and I teach you guys how to trade the waterfall and these divergences in my video course. Again, everything's $99 for that. But with that being said, let's see what happens next week. But do remember, we do actually have a value area high up around this 14,500 level. We also have multiple tops right here that may act as resistance right around 14,300. So take a look at that. Let's take a look at CL, crude oil. Kind of a double bottom, right? Kind of a liquidity grab, took out the lows, suckered everybody, reverse. Now we're kind of starting to make potential higher highs, higher lows on a short term. If we do get above this 74 and change level, I would start to get bullish on oil. But again, we do have a divergence right here, right? So we have a high, or sorry, a low, a lower low, a low, but a higher low, and that's what creates our divergence. So crude oil, I am actually bullish on it. If we could get above, just be patient, wait for a break above that 74 if you trade crude. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Kind of rolling over, head and shoulders, kind of lackluster, right? I'm not going to lie, I kind of flipped, got a little bullish, just because things did reverse and I was right for a little bit, and now I'm kind of right back where we were. But it's kind of interesting. The market's rallying, NQ's rallying, everything, and Bitcoin's going lower. Just something to think about. If you're holding Bitcoin, also a head and shoulders, so that could be a potential precursor to lower prices. Gold, GLD. Nice pullback on gold, and then a reversal today. Look at this. I think last week I said watch the 180 level for a potential long if you want to get there. Well, we're up a couple points. We do have a value area high, and also we have a trend line. So again, maybe gold still has some repair work to do. Maybe it rolls back over, but we will see what happens there. Silver, still watching that 21 level. I think we could kind of roll back over, but I do like it. The 200 with a 38% fib retracement on silver, so kind of like that. Also, AAPL, Apple, new highs, but kind of divergent, right? If we kind of look at this entire move here, okay, look at this. I mean, if anything, it almost feels very wedgy to me. So just something to be aware of, right? Kind of moving up a wall of worry, and does this reverse? Listen, this entire market rally is based on about 5 stocks: Apple, right? Google, GOOGL, Google L, Netflix, NFLX, right? AMZN, Amazon. What else is there? Tesla, right? Just everything's just been rallying with this. Tesla is lacking. Look, I think Elon spoke the other day about Tesla. There is something I really do like about Tesla that he spoke about, and he talked about in the future when they could get their autonomous driving car really all up and running. They're going to take over Uber and Lyft. You'll be able to literally just say, hey, I'm not going to drive my car for 12 hours, and they will take over your car, do autonomous, and go become an Uber. I like Tesla longer term for what they're doing, but I want to see a pullback before I could buy, maybe into the 130 level. Somewhere down here, I really would love to start buying some, but this is for a multi-year, because if they could get that autonomous car where you go buy a Tesla, but then you do revenue sharing, and literally they just take care of everything, right? It's like a Uber on demand. You just tell them, hey, I'm not going to drive my car for 10 hours, and go make pickups, and it'll pick up, do all that, come back and share. Dude, I can make $100 a day doing absolutely nothing, and you buy a car and it pays for itself. So something to think about with Tesla. But as always, thank you for watching. And make sure you guys check out my website, Day Trading Fearless. Remember, $100 one-time payment for everything: video course, chat room, weekly and daily trade levels. But be safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.